Yeah, welcome back to Jazz Time. JazzTime.com is an online store that buys, sells, and trades authentic luxury watches. We make these videos so you can easily choose the best watch for yourself in the comfort of your own home. We offer the lowest prices anywhere online, and if you'd like to know the price, simply click on the links in the description below. We greatly appreciate if you purchase your next watch from us at JazzTime.com. Today we'll be talking about this long discontinued Oyster Perpetual 31, I believe. Yes, Oyster Perpetual 31 from Rolex, reference number 177200. This one with a blue Roman dial. They don't make these anymore, and so this is quite a special one these days. So we'll be talking about the case, dial, bezel, the crown functions, as well as the movement, and the bracelet. And I'll be giving my thoughts on those throughout this video. So starting off with this case, 31 millimeters as in the name, Oyster Perpetual 31 millimeters from finger to thumb. That's the 2 o'clock to 8 o'clock position. Also 10 to 4, same distance, same diameter, same 31 millimeters. You still have the monoblock middle case with the screw down case back and the Rolex winding crown to ensure water resistance down to 100 meters or 330 feet below sea level, as is standard with just about every Oyster Perpetual. Now taking a look at the full construction here, all stainless steel, Oyster steel as Rolex calls it, their own proprietary blend of steel and other materials to make it a very, very tough construction while still maintaining the extremely high polish that you can see here, complete with my fingerprints, of course. And on the front of this case, nice satin brush finishing as evident on these lugs here, a high polish along the sides of the case, as you can see there, and also sitting on the very front of this case, a domed steel bezel. Right, all fitting within the same sort of overall look here, giving it the same general sense of feel, the same sort of a strong and strengthened construction. All right, this bezel also high polish as you would find on the side of this, on the sides of this case. All right, all holding down this sapphire crystal on the very front, nice scratch resistant, so you can slip this under a suit cuff and it won't be, it won't scratch the crystal at all. You'll have a clear view of that dial no matter what the time. And taking a look at this dial, speaking of which, a nice sort of mid-tone blue sunray finish on there, so you get the full range of blues, those deep dark shades as well as the light tones on there, and even the tints, you can even call them. Very, very beautiful at any angle. All right, and as I move it through the light box, you can see how it plays in the lights. Incredibly beautiful. All right, and also 18 karat white gold settings or 18 karat white gold applications for the crown at the 12 o'clock, 3, 6, and 9 for the Roman numerals, as well as white gold for the hands, all to prevent tarnishing. And it's certainly done so over the years because, again, this is a long discontinued watch and it still looks like the day that it left the factory. All right, so taking a look at the functions of this watch, still clean as it's ever been. Simply unwind the crown at the 3 o'clock position, and if you're at a dead stop, about 20 to 30 full winds is all you need to get to the full power reserve. Rather simple there. Pull the crown out to the only other position, stops at seconds hand, so you have that hacking function, so you can place the minute hand and by extension the hour hand, and set the time precisely based on the position of that seconds hand. Synchronize it to an atomic clock, press the crown back in to start it back up, and screw the crown tightly back against the case to ensure the superior water resistance. So what's on the inside? What makes this work? What's making this still work after all these years? It's the movement number 2231, made in-house by Rolex, has a 28,800 vibration per hour rating. That's all that you really need to know. It still has the nice shock absorbers, the hairspring and all of those things, keeping it nice and magnet resistant and also shock resistant. So you can take a few bumps here and there, get relatively close to circuitry and lightly magnetized surfaces. No need to worry about the timekeeping ability of the watch. Also, it does have a center mounted rotor on the inside, winding rotor on the inside, bidirectional, so you can just simply wear this on your wrist and the natural movements of your wrist will keep it wound up to the full power reserve, right? So basically, if you just set this down on a Friday evening, pick it back up on Monday morning, ready to conduct business, you're good to go. No need to, really wind the watch unless you wear it, and especially if you wear it all day on Monday, you're good to go for the rest of the week. Just wear it every other day. You're good to go. No need to wind the watch at all. All right, so taking a look at this bracelet as is standard with Oyster Perpetuals, this has the Oyster 3-piece link bracelet. So you have the full satin brushing down all of these links here. Nice high polish along the sides. This general taper, pretty gentle actually, down to the Oyster folding clasp. You have the stamped logo on the front there, or on the outside. Simply lift from the top to unhook it, and you have the Rolex stamped logo, the full logo on the inside. You know that you're dealing with steel. All right, there's no EasyLink 5mm extension, so you will actually have to go in and physically move the spring bar on the inside there. But you know, if you have the right tools, it's pretty easy. All right, and while I'm here, I'll try it on my wrist and give you my thoughts as to how it wears on a 7-inch wrist. So this one being a pre-owned model, it does miss a couple links there, and certainly on a wrist for 7 inches, I'm getting plenty of bracelet, plenty of watch, and you know, it's not my favorite size, although, you know, I can't argue against that blue though. So, you know, if I was using this more as a jewelry piece or an accessory, less so as a, you know, an actual timepiece on the wrist, this would work very beautifully. And certainly on my wrist, 7 inches, even though, you know, kind of big for a watch like this, it will sit very nicely on the wrist. So if your wrist does, you know, get up to this size, you can still wear this should you so desire. It's, you know, the more I look at it, the less I hate it. Well, hate is a strong word. The less I find it a little bit weird. I'm actually starting to like this quite a bit. So, what are your thoughts on this watch? Let us know down in the comments below. Be sure to like this video. If you haven't already, subscribe and hit the bell notification so you can be notified when we go live with another video like this one. And as always, if you'd like to purchase this watch or any other watch, visit our store at jazztime.com. Links in the description below where you can get it for the lowest possible price anywhere online. Take care, and we'll see you in the next video.
If you want to find out more about the watch you just saw in the video, you can just click below on Show More to see the full description. Then you can check the link next to model as seen in video, click on it, and you will get to the proper page where you can see all the details. If you're watching on a mobile phone, you have to click on the arrow down on the right hand side below the video to see the full description. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. If you would like to share this video with your friends, you can use the share button below and share it on any platform you like. If you have questions, constructive feedback, want to tell us about some mistakes or misspeaks, just write a comment below. If you want to see more videos like this, you should subscribe to our channel and visit our channel page where you can find all the videos. And if you're interested in a specific watch brand, you can check out our playlists. If you want to check the price for a watch or want to buy one, remember at jazztime.com you always get a steep discount, so you should check the prices with us. If you want to know the price for a specific watch, just go to Google, type in JazzTime, plus the brand, model and the details you're interested in, and Google will find the right page for you. Thank you for watching.